The next group is girls group. The leader of this platoon is Miss Pranjal Patil from Standard 8. Girls platoon. All these girls, we salute. This platoon second leader is Miss Arpita Bhavsar from Standard 8. Third platoon, boys platoon, and this platoon leader is Master Yagnesh Sapkale from Standard 6. Second commander of this platoon is Master Daksh Devre from Standard 9. Girls platoon leader is Miss Kalyani Patel from Standard 8. This March past parade is arranged and done due to show the team spirit, coordination and discipline. It also shows the time management with fun. A rhythm brings new energy in the heart and mind of the student. Platoon leader is Master Gaurav Patole from Standard 9 and second leader is Master Dhruv Shinde from Standard 8. The last one platoon, boys platoon, leader is Master Krishnava from Standard 9 and second leader is Master Sarvesh Kavi from Standard 9. The parade is often completed